Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the LN function in Excel. This simple yet powerful function is designed to help you count the number of characters in a text string, including spaces, numbers, and special characters. The LEN function is particularly useful when you need to analyze text data, such as validating the length of codes, checking the length of names, or preparing data for further processing. Let's dive in. Let's start with the syntax of the LEN function. Here's what each part means. Text. This is the text string or cell reference for which you want to count the number of characters. The LEN function will count every character in the string, including spaces, numbers, punctuation, and special characters. Now let's look at our example. Suppose you have a list of product codes in column A, and you want to find out how many characters are in each code. In cell A1, you have the product code AB1234XZ. In cell B1, we'll enter our LEN formula. Start by typing LEN. Next, we need to specify the text or cell reference. Since the product code is in cell A1, we simply type A1. Close the parentheses by typing and press Enter. Excel will return 8, which is the number of characters in the product code AB1234XZ. The complete formula in cell B1 is displayed on the screen. And there you have it. We've successfully used the LEN function to count the number of characters in a product code. Let's consider a different scenario where you're working with a list of customer names and you need to find out the length of each name. In column C, you have customer names like John Doe and Elizabeth Taylor. In cell D2, enter the formula equals LEN C2 and press Enter. Excel will return 8 for John Doe and 16 for Elizabeth Taylor, counting all characters, including spaces. The LEN function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Here are some practical applications. Data validation. Use LEN to check if text entries meet specific length requirements, such as product codes, IDs, or passwords. Text analysis. Analyze text data by counting the length of names, addresses, or other strings to ensure consistency. Data cleaning. Combine LEN with other functions to identify and correct data with inconsistent lengths. That's it for today's tutorial on the LEN function in Excel.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.